What if you were able to identify the next big cryptocurrency? Although you cannot foresee the future, you can search for initiatives that have genuine promise. We'll examine the most exciting cryptocurrency markets in this video. I must be very clear before we begin. This video is solely for entertainment and educational purposes. This isn't financial guidance. I don't offer financial advice. Do your own research before making an investment. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, because the cryptocurrency market is extremely risky. Alright, let's start the investigation. How do we locate the next significant opportunity then? We don't consider price, estimates, or hype. Rather, we seek out initiatives that use new technology to address pressing issues. We'll look at 3 fascinating industries with this much promise today. I'll show you a cutting-edge project for each and discuss the risks as well as the exciting opportunities. Consider this the beginning of your research. Let's now examine 3 areas that show promise. I'll start by outlining the main concept underlying each technology. After that, I'll give you an example of a successful project in that field along with its functions. Last but not least, I will always present you with both sides of an issue, the risks you need to be aware of and the reasons it might succeed. A secret to wise research is this balanced viewpoint. Structure for each of the 3 sectors or projects. Number 1 is AI crypto. Let's start by discussing AI cryptocurrency. The big idea is to use blockchain technology to make AI more equitable and accessible to everyone, not just large corporations. Fetch AI is an excellent illustration of this. It involves creating a network in which AIs can collaborate and even negotiate on your behalf. This is exciting because it combines 2 very large technologies. However, keep in mind that it's still relatively new and faces fierce competition from tech behemoths. Number 2 is DePIN. DePIN comes next. Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks is what this stands for. It's a complex name for a straightforward concept. People collaborate to create practical systems such as Wi-Fi or GPS and get cryptocurrency in exchange for their assistance. Helium Network is a prominent project in this area. It enables users to earn money by sharing their wireless internet. It has the advantage of building a community-based network that can expand quickly. The danger is that its usefulness depends on a large number of participants, which isn't always the case. Number 3 is real-world assets. Let's now examine real-world assets, or RWA. This involves transferring valuable assets from the physical world, such as gold, real estate, or company stock, to the blockchain. Because of this, they are simpler to own and trade in small quantities. Ondo Finance is one of the best projects here. It enables users to use cryptocurrency to invest in assets such as US Treasury bonds. Linking trillions of dollars in traditional finance to cryptocurrency is a huge opportunity. Its reliance on rigorous government regulations, which are subject to change, poses a risk. To sum up, the 3 main concepts we looked into were real-world assets with Ondo, DePIN with Helium, and AI with Fetch AI. Keep in mind that this was a starting point for your own education, not a list of things to purchase. Doing your own research is always the most crucial step. Never make an investment merely because someone in a video advised you to. What do you believe will be the next major cryptocurrency trend? I'd love to hear your thoughts and findings, so please share them in the comments section below. If you found this video useful, please subscribe and hit the like button for more videos like this one. Thank you for viewing.